Hey guys, just a quick work on the volatility indices, and I'd like us to look at 3 specific setups that will give us a bias for the day and a couple of hours or a couple of 1 or 2, 3 days ahead. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, come subscribe to our YouTube channel for us to be able to give you the most latest updated information in regards to trading, both from forex to stocks to crypto, and as well as the binary synthetic indices. And for purposes of this conversation, I'd like to start with jump 10 as the jump 100. So let's go to the jump 100 monster and see what it's doing. Jump 100, jump 100, jump 100. Guys, this is the setup that I see. This is our blue box. This is our target profit at 15,305. This is a trade. If you want to take, put your tight stop losses below the blue box. Anything below 126.6, 126.4, that basically means that the price has violated the structure of this pattern. But in the midterm and in the short term, this is what I am seeing, and this is our target profit 15,305 for V100, for jump 100. Sorry, the next trade is jump 25. For jump 25, same thing. We are on a blue box. This is our blue box for the day. Anything below 110,886, guys, be extremely super careful on it, because that will basically mean that price has broken the market structure. The price has broken actually the setup structure. But for this, and with our blue box marked yellow box, as I normally say on the forex side, this is our perfect entry side and setup that can take us to the 114,841 area. So that is for the jump 25. And then finally V75. V75 is extremely interesting, because when you look at V75 from the weekly perspective, let's do a top market down analysis. That's for the weekly. In fact, let me even do this for the week. Let me do this. Let me do that. So when you look at this thing from the weekly market analysis, we are still on an upward channel. But guess what? Price on this week's candle came and almost retested this line. So I still believe we still have more room to come for present to come and retest these again. But the general bias for this market is from this ascending channel, the next wave is definitely going to go up. You see that? And that wave, actually, for me to even make the point much further, comes like this. You see that? You see? That's an ascending wave channel. So price has to come like that, out of which from there we can be able to see a further decline before a further move to the upside. So where are we right today, right today, as we stand for this specific setup? I'll go to the daily. We had a bullish candle yesterday. We have a further sort of continuation, but this is, I'd like us to look at it. I'd like us to look at it in a very careful manner, because two scenarios. Scenario number one, this could be our blue box. Anything from 625, 747 and 612, 585. And if that is the case of our blue box, then we are looking at this setup to come and just a minute. We are looking at this setup, that one, which represents, actually from a retracement point of view, which represents almost a 50% retracement based on this long move that has been holding for several months. However, if that is not the case, then we still expect price to come down and for price to come down end up to that area. See that? The price to come down to that area, which then which is actually indicated by the ascending channel. And if that is the case, then this will give us this move to the upside. So let's be careful for this one. If I was to take this trade, I'll wait for it. I'll wait for this 4-hour candle, see how it behaves. If it closes below here, then that will be a breakup of trade of today's setup. But if it closes above this box, then that will give us an opportunity to enter buy that will take us to the 721,632 area. Right, guys? So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, the subscription button. Share these videos with most of your friends so that they can be able to come and enjoy the weekly and the daily market analysis that would potentially give us a solution of building a sustainable, strong community of traders. Thank you, guys, and good luck trading.